There's a shiner. That actually smells really nice as well.
You can hang up on your keychains.
There's a key one, isn't it? Ooh. Can you taste it?
Yeah.
Right, so we've got that one.
Is it glossy?
So we'll pop these ones aside.
Does it look glossy?
In fact, no, that wasn't the £15 one, was it? That was just the juice bundle. Yeah.
Put these
I got that wrong. I do apologise. That one.
That one's. Yeah, this is the other one.
Yeah, I think that one's a. Is that one the mini bundle? Is that was your?
It's my strawberry and cream one.
Is it? It should be, shouldn't it? Oh, it is. Yeah. Let's have a look at that one.
I haven't opened this one yet.
Let's have a look. Afternoon tea, strawberries and cream.
Be using this at school.
I reckon that one's going to smell really nice.
I'm going to show off with this at school. A little show off.
Flip that nose over.
Oh my god. Afternoon tea. That's gonna be really.
Okay. You want to start opening that one up?
Yeah.
I think it's really cool how they
Design
them. Yeah.
Whoa. Wait,
So that's two sets we've got.
We need to open them. Oh.
That's bright, isn't it?
Is it?
See how bright it is on your skin. That's not actually not too bad, to be honest. That does smell nice. Kind of smell like cupcakes, to be honest.
Yeah. How does it look? Is it glossy?
Yeah.
Yay.
And then these
These
should be the £15
Mystery
mini
ones.
ones. Should be.
We'll open this one last, and we'll open this one next.
Yeah, we did a big one last.
I don't know what this is. This one. Oh, okay. Okay, so
What's
first
that
thing
one?
we have is I don't know what this is.
Have a look.
Oh, is that also like lip gloss? I think. Wait, no, wait. Facial hybrid lip base. Yeah, it is. Oh God.
Ooh.
Should you put it in your skin?
Oh, what should... Yeah, that's... Oh, lip
So-
base. It's a lip base one.
Should we see what's in your skin? Oh. Oh my God.
Right, rub that one in. It covers my tattoo though.
I just tasted it.
It smells like vanilla.
It tastes like cream.
Did it say what flavour? What when it is?
Didn't need to taste it. Is it pigmented? Does it look pigmented? I don't know. Does it look pigmented?
It look too bad, to be honest. It's like a Barbie pink.
Next thing is one at a time.
I think that's the liquid blush, isn't it?
Yeah. This is the one that I'll be using. Liquid blush. It's a flirty flushy colour.
Flirty flush.
Should you open it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you guys can use that on my hand. This one does take a few practices, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It does take a few practices, remember? Oh, okay, there we go. That's so pretty.
And you just blend it in with your brushes and that. Like that.
That's cute. I like that.
That's really nice. And what else have we got?
Okay, last one we have.
Is that a mini palette?
Yeah, Fall in Love with Plouise one.
Ooh.
This one.
We've not had one of those ones yet, have we?
No. Okay, if I can, yo, just destroy the package. What do you mean? That's very cute. Okay, let's open it.
Oh, I do like that.
Oh, that looks nice.
That looks really pretty.
I'm guessing that's.
You get a little mirror as
I'm
well.
not sure what the. Wait, hold on, let's see what it is. I think that's blush. Those two. I think that's. I don't know. It doesn't say.
It is.
It doesn't say.
I think it does say on the box.
Well, that one. I think they're all eyeshadows. Yeah, but the eyeshadows. But they look like eyeshadows. It says, never looking back. I think they're eyeshadows. Yeah, they're eyeshadows. Cute. Put them there.
The
Next
last box.
big box.
The big one. This one's a bit
Mystery one.
bigger box, isn't it?
So one actually.
Oh, what have we got in it?
Okay, first is this one.
Oh, what's that?
I don't know. Okay, we're gonna. Oh, these are those really nice.
Is it a Drammy box? Drammy
Yeah.
one?
Okay, stick it.
Star Baker.
Okay. Whoa. Wait, what is it? It's
Star Baker.
lip balm. This is. It says it. Oh. That's nice. Ooh. It's a nice colour as well. Does it smell nice?
I can't think. It smells quite nice.
Should we open the other one?
Yeah.
This was nice. This is for you. Bake it, eat. It doesn't say what it is. Wait. This is. I'm not sure.
Some moisturising one.
Yeah, you have to keep pressing it.
That smells really nice.
Wait,
It
wait,
does.
hold on. Yeah, look. Moisturize one.
So look. We've got another. I think that's the same colour. Yep, same one as what we've already got. Another liquid blush.
Okay, now we have
And
a
then
big.
what is this?
It says. Ooh. It's a face palette.
Face palette. That's quite
That's
quite
really
weight to
heavy.
it, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. It's not really destroying boxes today. Oh. Oh, that looks very nice.
That looks really pretty. Yeah, I do like that. They're really amazing colours.
I think that's also lip. No, not lip. What do you call it again? Eyeshadows. Feels very nice as well.
Yeah, it does.
I think that's
Right,
all.
so these are what we got today. To go with our collection that we've started off. Yeah. Hope you've enjoyed watching and continue watching our future videos. Thank you.
Bye.